Welcome. Today we are asking which of the following is not an accurate description of the market for digital cameras. We will walk through what this market looks like graphically, explain its most important features, and then decide which statement does not match reality. Let's start with a quick overview. Our question asks, which of the following is not an accurate description of the market for digital cameras? We will use visual tools and reasoning to decide which description fails to describe reality. First, we draw a graph that captures the essence of how this market works. Here is a graphical representation. We use price on the vertical axis and quantity on the horizontal axis. The demand curve slopes downward, reflecting that lower prices attract more buyers. The supply curve slopes upward, as higher prices entice more firms to produce cameras. The point where demand meets supply is where the market settles with a particular price and quantity. This diagram helps us understand that price is flexible and no single firm sets it. The downward slope shows each firm faces a demand that depends on price, while the upward slope captures competing firms offering more cameras only at higher prices. Now, let's describe the reality of the digital camera market. First, there are many firms offering similar but not identical cameras, giving us something like monopolistic competition. Second, firms respond to price changes. If the price falls, demand increases, so the market price adjusts quickly. Third, the products have differentiation in branding, quality, and features, so producers have a little wiggle room on price. Given those facts, we can evaluate candidate statements. One description might say the market is a pure monopoly. Another might claim it is perfect competition. A third might describe it as monopolistic competition. The incorrect choice is the one that denies the crowd of competitors and the slight differentiation we just saw. Which description is not accurate? The pure monopoly description is incorrect. The diagram shows many firms adjusting supply, and we observe product differentiation. So the market is not dominated by a single firm. Thus, saying that only one firm controls the market is the inaccurate statement. Let's recap. The digital camera market has many firms, responsive pricing, and mild product differentiation. The equilibrium price depends on supply and demand, not a lone monopolist. Therefore, the statement claiming a pure monopoly is not accurate. Thanks for watching. Keep asking questions, and use diagrams like this to reason through market structures and spot inaccuracies.